Hey guys, MC here, and today we are playing Choo-Choo Charles. Now, ever since that trailer dropped earlier this year, pretty much the entire internet was like in awe of it. It was absolutely amazing, so I've been looking forward to it for months now, so let's not waste any time. Let's dive right into Choo-Choo Charles. There's our train.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising.
Yeah, I did.
No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big.
My penis.
So many friends, and even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen. And you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks
out here.
at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little monster hunt.
Monster hunting's my middle name. MasterCode, monster hunting code, monster. You know what I mean. All right, so we are an archaeologist and we're also a monster hunter.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles. Half train, half giga spider from hell.
He's a whole
We've been
gigabyte
planning
big.
his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just a few people to meet and places to see. Simple errands, you know.
You know, simple sacrifices to a
Yes,
demonic
sir.
spider
Welcome
god. You
to
know how it is.
Erodirum, the island where miners dig their own graves.
How ironic.
Stay close. Charles isn't the only thing to fear around here.
Oh, what am I doing? Is that like a lean or something? What is love, love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill.
Oh, really? Is that so?
One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast, so his old engine should be in there.
Ironically, it's due to typhoid fever.
If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey.
Yeah, we could, run over pennies on the track.
Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for too long.
Are you coming on to me? Whoa, jeez. Whoa, this guy's really getting going, jeez. Wow, he's really keeping up with me. Come on, old man, let's do it. Up the hill. Move, move, move. Go, go, go. Car right pain is by the hour. All right, that doesn't look ominous at all. We gotta go this way? Front door? Here? Where we go? Oh, over here. All right, lead the way, old man.
Ah, shucks, it's locked.
Curses!
Not to worry, we can still find a way in. There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside.
There's always another place you always gotta go.
Take this map, I just marked the location on it.
By the way, did I mention I'm a ventriloquist? My mouth can't move at all.
See if the key is up there, and I'll look around some more down here.
Alright. There we go. Okay. Jeez! Nice sound effect. Alright, so... let's see. Let's zoom up. Y. Oh, wait. Oh, the other way. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this map's fairly big. Look at this. Jeez. Alright, well, let's oops. Oh, I think I just set a waypoint. Oh well. Alright, so I gotta find a key in here. Alright, what do we got? Let's see, that's oh, hello, big obvious key. Let's see, view inventory with Y. Okay. Alright. Huh. What if there's a genie in any of these bottles? Alright. Let's go open up this thing. Hey, old man, how you doing?
Good on you! Looks like you found it.
There's gold in them
Open
bare
up
heels.
that door and lead the way.
All right. Yay, train! Woo!
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. She's an oldie but a goodie.
I should know. I'm
I'm
old too.
going to inspect the train's exterior. Why don't you take a peek inside? See what we got to work with.
All right, let's see what we got. All right, here's our beautiful mode of transportation. Oh, I just kind of walked right up. Let's see. All right, so okay, so forward, backwards, and I'm gonna. Okay, yep, your stop. Okay. Alrighty. All right, got ourselves a gun. Oh, I didn't think it'd be active already. Oh, what if there's an achievement for doing that? Hit all the targets. Yeah, take that target. Oh, okay, there's a overheating mechanic. Any more targets? Okay, I guess it wasn't an achievement. That was a waste of time. Alright. Alright, so speed, damage, armor. Okay. Train health, 100%. Hey, what's up?
Well, the exterior is a little rough, but everything looks to be intact.
Don't you ever blink, old man?
That gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island, but it sure looks fun to use.
We can kill the local town folks.
We can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming.
Coming.
Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Hells yeah, let's do it. Alright. So, yeah, let's do it. Wait, are we gonna open the door? Okay,
Yeah,
we'll just burst in the front door, apparently.
We're coming for you, Charles!
Alright.
Do you hear that?
Where?
It's him!
Oh, oh.
It's him! Get to the gun!
Get away! Go away, Charles, go away!
Don't let the gun over here! He's not taking
Shoot.
enough damage! Get some
Oh
headshots!
no, I can't do anything. I'm just the driver, I'm the gunner, and everything else. Yeah, get out of here, stupid train. Hey, bruh, you okay? Almost ran you over, I did.
This isn't how things were supposed to end. I thought we could still find my people. Yes, sir. Easy in, easy out.
That's what she
You'll
said.
need to do more than I thought, but I don't have time to explain. Find the eggs.
The world will taste my eggs. Hey, I just came here for a spider, okay? That requires extra pay if you're willing to find your son, okay? I want extra pay, do you agree? Well, I will take your silence as an agreement. Alrighty. And, alright, now time to push this thing forward, and, whoopsie daisy. Kinda killed you, I did there. Charles? Charles? I guess look at my map. Where am I going? Alright. Looks like there's some people over here. Alright, so, I like the ambience so far. Oh, I probably should do that. Otherwise Charles is gonna come. Where are you, Charles? Oh, hey. What do we got here? Alright. Hey, scripts. Let's see. Anything else? Alright, that's all we got here. Whoop, nothing? Nope, that's it. Up we go. Alright, so we got some scraps, so... Yeah, so... I think I'm gonna concentrate on speed initially, just so... And... oh, I need 2 to 3. Okay, never mind. Okay, that'll be good for now. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Guess we'll go left first. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh, well, I'm gonna go that way anyway. The switch track's already changed to that. Okay, let's go. Alright, almost there. Also, I like how realistically, like, the train doesn't, like, stop on a dime. Like, it takes a few seconds for it to actually, like, stop or whatever. Ah, hello there. How you doing? Howdy.
You must be the archivist that Eugene told us about.
No, I'm a evangelist. Have you heard the good word of God?
We're happy you came to help us out of this predicament
That's
with
right.
Charles and that madman.
Charles, regards.
You know, that old trading will need some major upgrades if you want to take down Charles.
Also, I like his name, Tony Tittle.
There are some metal scraps in my barn that you could use to improve it. Here's the key to the barn.
Wow, everyone's really helpful here.
But I'll mark it on your map anyway.
You know, if there's actually like a medieval, if there's like a mutant killer train on an island, it's like, why would there be people living here? Where am I going? Oh, his shed, which is just right up here. All I have to do is just go up this little dirt path. Hopefully Charles isn't out there. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Tells me exactly how many there are here. So, okay, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, there we go. 6. All right, let's check upstairs. All right. Ooh, a note. Even though Eugene has promised to send help. Oh, wait, no. Even though Eugene has promised to send help, he once reached the mainland, I realized he never mentioned if he'd return. I suppose he is the type of person to ignore the fine details of the plan. Everyone on the island is trying to find a way out of this mess, and I can only hope that this archivist friend can work some magic. I don't care what strange thing they've done here before, what practices they use, as long as Charles ends up dead. Most folks around here want the same, but there are those crazies who want him to leave him be. The damn Warren had lost his marbles. Yeah, so there's like a whole island of people here, so again, why is there a whole island of people here if they know that there's a mutant killer giant train roaming around? Okay, so got some more resources, that's good. Do I need to talk to this guy again? Nope. Alright. Thank you, sir. I'll be on your way. Or my way, I should say. Ooh. One more for damage. Okay, that's good. Like I said, I want to focus mostly on speed just because I want to make a quick getaway. Oh, wait. Oh, hold on. Let me see. Seems like there's only there's no switch track here, so I can only go this way, so I guess we'll concentrate down this path first, then yeah, we'll just keep going there. Yeah, so we'll set a oops. How do I set a marker? There. Alright, so we're gonna go visit this next person first and see what type of zaniness or eccentric characters we'll meet. Alright, Charles, where are you at? Decent use of fog. Let's see, how far can I can actually shoot forward. I can shoot in my cab. Alright. Where am I? Oh, I passed it. Stop. Go back. Oh, there we go. There's a little house right there. Alright, here we go. I'm kind of a little bit on edge here. I haven't seen Charles since that first encounter, but I guess it's kind of like Jaws, wherein, you know, you don't want to overexpose your, bad guy or whatever. Oh, I totally missed that. Don't mind me, I'm just raiding your house, stealing all your stuff, and wow, this is some nice carpeting you got here for a crappy rundown place like this. Can I help you?
I need my pickles!
Oh, wow. Hey, guys, looks like we're in quite a bit of a pickle then.
I ate the last jar of pickles I had in my house, and there's only one jar of pickles
Well, that's not my problem.
My secret jar of pickles. Locked away inside my pickle cave.
Why do you have a pickle cave?
I would have gotten them hours ago, but I lost my pickle cave.
Why do you have a pick? Okay, whatever.
Someone else on the island might have some lock pickles. I mean, lock picks. And if you can bring me my special jar of pickles, I'll give you all the scrap metal I have as a reward.
You mean all the ones I stole? I mean, of course I would love some scrap metal that I definitely did not steal. Okay, where's her cave? Ooh. Okay. Not too keen on free roaming yet, so let's go back to the train and then I'll work my way back around. So, there's an optional side quest, so I'm not exactly in a huge hurry. So let's go ahead and go down this other path here. Get that out of the way. Oh wait, no, I gotta go backwards. Right, because there's no switch track here, so. Alright, back we go. Oh boy, I sure hope I don't meet that Choo-Choo Charles guy. Sure would be awkward if I ran with that Charles guy. Switch. Seriously, I gotta hold it down? That's important information in case I need to be on the run from Charles if he surprises me. Oh wow, the moon is huge. Alright, back in we go. Charles. Let's shoot the moon! Alright. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people on this side of the island, so hopefully they'll be just as eccentric or as, well, kind as everyone else. Can I get it? Can I walk out here? Whoop, whoop, whoop. No. I want to be as close as possible in case I gotta run. Come on, stop. Okay, that'll do. Howdy.
Eugene told us we'd have a newcomer soon. I suppose that would be you.
That'd be me.
There's some scrap metal in the balcony room of my house that you could use to repair and upgrade your train.
I have no use for it. I mean, what can I use for scrap metal?
Here's the key. And although the balcony is right behind me, I'll just mark it on your map anyway. As a side note, talk to anyone around here, and they'll do whatever they can to help. Anyone not wearing a mask, that is.
I don't like the way you said that.
Check out the balcony, and take whatever you can use. Good luck with everything.
I love how everyone here is just so keen on giving me their house key, like I can just completely raid their place. Okay. Alright, up we go then. Or around, I guess. Okay. Oh, in here. I didn't see the door. Wow. Gee, lady, you're stocking up like crazy here. Again, you got some nice plush carpeting in here. Alright, so this is the whole map. Oh, is this future DLC with a bridge across, maybe? No, we'll see. Oh, there's a note. We've been watching as patiently as we can, but the past few days have been chaotic to say the least. Charles has been aggressive lately, to the point where I'm starting to fear how many of us will be left by the time help arrives. Godspeed, Eugene. We're counting on you. Yeah, so why is the military not here? Why are we basing all of our hopes and dreams on me, an archaeologist? I mean, what was the plan here? I'm just gonna, like, what was the original plan? Like, what if there wasn't this train with a, machine gun on it? Was I just gonna, like, talk Charles down or something? What's that? Oh, paint. Alright, whatever. Okay, on to our next, eccentric people. I'm working on the railroad all the livelong day. I'm working on the railroad. Oh, I got some scrap. Oh, wait, let me, and stop. Ooh, I timed that perfectly. Alright, let's see who's here. Also, I love all the ramshackle shacks around here. Like Choo-Choo Charles could not possibly destroy these. And how you doing?
Look, kid, I know you're supposed to be some fancy-pants monster hunter, but you can't earn my respect without making yourself useful.
I love that. I'm both an archaeologist and a monster hunter. It's like, I love to see that on a resume. It's like, yes, we see you have a fine resume here. Let's see, you've worked 10 years as a hotel manager. Yes, you also worked as 20 years as an archaeologist. Ah, yes, and you're also a monster hunter who also killed Bigfoot. Ah, quite impressive indeed.
One of Warren's goons dumped a locked chest in the yard last night. After beating on it for a few hours, I didn't break anything but a sweat. I got some lock picks, but I don't know how to use them. Here, take them. If you can get that chest open, you'll earn my respect. I might just give you some scraps to help improve your train.
Yeah, sure, whatever. Again, I love how susceptible or how agreeable these guys all are. Oh, was it this one? Ooh, okay. Okay. Ah, look at this. Got it. Okay. Ancient tablet. Okay. Lockpicks. Okay, I guess I have infinite lockpicks, I guess. Oh, there's some more scrap in there. I'll take that. You aren't gonna use it. You're just gonna give it to me anyway.
Well, Fancy Fingers here got the chest unlocked. That's an odd-looking piece of junk you found inside there. Bit of a letdown, to be frank.
Yes, it's an ancient tablet. It could be possibly worth millions of dollars, but nah, you can keep it. It's junk.
Earn my respect. So here's some scraps, like I promised.
Man, they're really loading me up early game with all these scraps here, so I guess that's good. They want to give, that started me off at level 1, so whoa, holy crap. Okay. Let's see. Alright, speed level 5. Damage. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I was scared for a second. Didn't know if Charles was on the approach. Stop. So yeah, we're doing pretty good so far. In terms of, like, scraps and upgrading our train and whatnot. And there's just scrap metal sitting around everywhere.
The monster hunter has arrived, I see.
That'd be me.
This is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed. We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however.
Mortal combat!
Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines.
Wait, so if they're eggs, does that mean Choo-Choo Charles is a lady train?
Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death.
But that's just a theory, a game theory.
Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs. There's an egg in the mine just down the rail.
Well, that sounds excellent.
Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
Wait, how do you have the key to the mine? Why wouldn't the Warren dude have the key? Would you steal it? Alright, so we got our MacGuffin quest, so whoa, okay. Okay, so we got a mine up here, and then we got a weapon mission. Alright, that's what I like to hear. More weapons for killing Charles. Let's see. Oh, he's right here. Sometimes the locations are a little bit closer than they look. Whoa, hey buddy. There seems to be a little fire there. You wanna put that out?
I made a little flamethrower as an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see, that is slightly backfired.
It's a fire, and he said it backfired. You're funny.
Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it. Shoot dang.
Shoot dang, we're gonna have ourselves a hootenanny.
I would love to save the shed, though. If a flamethrower somehow still works after the fire dies down, well, you can take it.
Okay, Sergeant,
I
whatever you
assume
say.
you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting, so a weapon like this could come in handy.
Yes, indeed. All right. So, find a way to extinguish the fire. Okay. Won't the rain just extinguish the fire? Can we just wait a few hours and see if the rain just goes away by itself? And hello, scrap. Is that scrap? No, that's just a part. Any other scrap around here, or is it really that easy? Okay. Good news. I took care of your fire problem. Bad news is, you're all out of water. Ooh, there's fall damage.
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius.
I know, right? That's why they call me Pure Genius MasterCode Monster Hunter the Third with the mustache.
Here, take old bug spray. Cause of this chaos. I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot that.
Oh, Danny. All right. Oh, he just gave it to me. Scrap. Any other scrap? Scrap. Nope. All right. Can I go in here? All right, more scrap. Load me up, game. Give me all your scraps. Anywhere else? Okay, that should be good. He's got himself a decent little fortress here. Although I tend to question what those punji sticks are gonna do for that, for Choo-Choo Charles. Oh no! Oh no! No! Ernie! Oh no! Oh! Go! I don't know which way he's going, but he's close. Where is he? Oh, I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Oh boy. How close was he? Was he like freaking close? Yeah, how you like that, Charles? Charles? Where you at? Oh shoot, I wasn't paying attention today. Gotta go back. Okay, well, where is he? If I see him going this way, I'm gonna be pissed. Hold on. I'm not gonna get out till I can see in front of me. He sounds like he's really close. All right. Where are you? Ooh, I heard that. Ooh. I heard his train whistle. I don't want to get out. Ooh. Where is he? Where? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Flamethrower! Get out here, Charles! Okay. Pull down. No! Stop it! Oh, no! Come on! Oh, no! Back to flamethrower! Come on! Come on, big boy! Oh, there we go! Roundabout! Yeah, get out of here! Okay, hold on. I need to go back the other way. Because I want it. There he goes. Yeah, get out of here, Charles. No one wants you. Woo. All right. Oh boy. Okay. Sick. Okay. So where? Wow, I went a good distance. Okay, so yeah, he can just randomly pop in on you at any time. What was this? Oh yeah, that's the Pickle Lady's mission. Okay, so he ran off over here, so hopefully that buys me some time. Okay. Alright, what do I got? The machine gun equipped. Alright, slow her down. Okay. Here we go. Our first mine. Good thing we have that mine key. Again, I don't know how she has the mine key, but we got it. Huh. Why is there a random bush just poking through here? Okay, some scrap. Okay. Ooh, a note. Well, urgent letter to Mr. Warren. While mining the farthest tunnel, we broke through a wall into a large cavern. There's something strange here. We don't know what it is. Really, something strange here besides the giant killer spider. We're requesting that Mr. Warren visit the southern mine site at his earliest convenience to give us further instruction. Alright. Are there plants growing in here? Ooh. Oh. Do I have a... Okay, I don't have a map in here. Okay. Oh god. I'm already on my second branching path. Okay. Okay, let's do this quick. Okay. Haha, first try. Ooh, yes, paint, green. That's gonna suit me perfectly. Once I get back, I'm totally gonna use it. I don't like this. Scrap. Ooh, what's going on up there? What is that? What is this? Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Why hasn't there been anybody yet? No, go away. No, shoot. There's the egg. Oh, shit. Press the right button. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. Get out of my... Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, God, how do I get out? I came from this way. Oh, God, I can't jump over that. Seriously. Oh, parkour. Run. I don't know. I don't want to look behind me. I don't know how close he is. Oh, come on. Get out. I think it's this way. Yes. Keep going. Come on. Woo. Okay. Made it. Oh, God. Yeah, let's just go ahead and finish this part of the island. So I'm going to go back to that guy. Let's see. Oh. Ha! I now have a green train. Sweet. My favorite color. Alright. Let's do... yeah. Okay, one more for armor, yeah. Okay, what's the... okay, so the closest is gonna be behind this guy's place. That looks the safest, if you could call it that. Okay. Be on standby in case Charles comes. Okay, but at least I know the exact sound, so when you hear the train whistle, that means he's very close by. Did I go too far? Ooh, stop here. Forward, forward, forward. All right. All right. If I meet Charles out here, I'm gonna be pissed. Am I on the path? Yeah, I'm on the path. It's just so overgrown, it's hard to tell. Other way. Jumping through the woods, la di da di da, la 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 la. You know what? I'm just gonna cut straight across. That's way easier. Oh, here's a path. Okay. Ah, here we go. Let's see, who are you? Really?
Well, hello, darling.
Hi, Witch Hazel.
I'm making a fresh stew with ingredients from my very own swamp. But I don't have any meat at the moment.
I don't have any meat either.
I smell a carcass on the island in the swamp, and if you wait over there and bring it back for me, I'll pay you some scraps. Although, you'll need to be wary of Barry, the swamp monster.
Great. I got a freaking mutant train and I got a swamp monster.
Keep
Wonderful.
an eye out for him splashing around, and don't move if he gets close to you. As long as you stand still, he's as kind as a kitten.
Ah, so we got Amnesia monster rules coming here, eh? That old water monster from Amnesia. Good times. Oh God, are you serious? Whoops, wrong button. Let's see if I can't loot any scrap from her right now. Scrap, scrap. Ooh, there's some scrap. I'll take that. Okay. All right. That is a big mallet. That's like Thor's hammer. Look at that thing. Tasty, yummy stew recipe. Swamp water, salt, clover, dirt, salt. Tell you gotta have more salt. Meat, any kind, and salt. Remember that, people. Okay. Oh, is that him over there? Or is that just ripples? Ah! Jump, 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 jump. Oh, was that an oarfish? I think that was an oarfish. Okay, I ain't gonna fall for it. Let's see. Alright, so I jumped off the dock, so the closest is gonna be about right... Yeah, right about there, so... I'm on target. Oh, no. Go away, Barry. Go away. Go away, Amnesia Water Monster. Oh, no. Okay, I'll just wait for him to go away. Nope. Red light. Red light. Yeah. Go away. Go away, Barry. No one wants you. I didn't move. Go away. Go away, Barry. Okay, so the closest shoreline. Oh, no. It's just this game of red light, green light here, so I don't know how much damage he can actually do to me. I don't know if he'll just like instantly kill me or if I like have a chance or something. Go away, Barry. Go away. Go on. Get out of here. Woo! Alright, here's your carcass.
What a delicacy you found.
Yes, yes,
Here
yes.
are those scraps I offered.
Thanks,
Have
lady.
a safe night, little one.
Uh-huh. Alright, so... before I go any further, I'm gonna check the map real quick. Okay, let's zoom out. Okay, that's everyone in the southern half. Alright, good, so we got everyone in the southeastern half of the island, so I guess we're gonna save here, then I'll come back and see you in the next part.